Hey, how y'all doing today? We are gonna do the orange peel balloon pop experiment. And to do this experiment, all you need are a couple things. You need some balloons and an orange. So let's get popping, friends. Let's do this, come on. Hi, friends. So as you can see, I have some balloons with me. I also brought 3 different items that might possibly pop these balloons. One of the items I have is a pair of scissors. I also have a thumbtack and an orange. So which of these items do you think will pop a balloon? Well, let's find out. All right, friends, for our first balloon, I got our pair of scissors. Let's see if these scissors will pop the balloon. Here we go. Pop the balloon. Here we go. All right, for our next balloon, I have the thumbtack right here. Let's see if the thumbtack will pop the balloon. Here we go. It pops the balloon. For our third balloon, I have our orange. Let's see if an orange peel can pop this balloon. So I got my little bit of my orange peel, and I'm just gonna take it, I'm just gonna rub it on the balloon like so. Let's see. Hey, the orange peel pops the balloon. Woo. Hey, wow. Well, that was weird. Now look, I mean, I can understand why a pair of scissors would pop a balloon, right? It's pointy, it's got sharp blades, and it easily cuts through the thin balloon. And you know, I can understand why this thumbtack would pop the balloon. It's got a sharp, pointy end, and it easily goes through the thin balloon, and it will pop it. But are you a little perplexed too about how this orange peel popped this balloon? I mean, it's a smooth, there's nothing sharp about it. How does an orange peel pop a balloon? Well, let me explain. In the peels of citrus fruits, like lemons, limes, and oranges, there is a chemical called limonene. Limonene can be found in the peels of all citrus fruits, and oranges in particular have a lot of limonene inside of their peels. Now, limonene is completely safe to human beings, and it's used in a variety of products, including different foods, shampoos and soaps, cleaning products, and even natural insect repellents. Limonene has been shown also to be an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and has also shown some excellent anti-cancer properties as well. So limonene is not only safe for human beings, but it's also good for you too. But why is limonene not so safe for a rubber balloon? Well, limonene is what is called a hydrocarbon. It's a nonpolar molecule, all right? And a rubber balloon is also a hydrocarbon and a nonpolar molecule. And it's very well known by chemists that nonpolar molecules dissolve very well into each other. So when the limonene touches the skin of the balloon, well, it starts to dissolve some of that rubber and eventually creates a hole, which causes the balloon to pop. And that is why limonene can pop a rubber balloon. And there you go. Now you might be wondering, can I rub an orange peel on a rubber car tire and the rubber car tire will pop? Well, no, not exactly. Rubber car tires have been what is called vulcanized. And when rubber is vulcanized, all right, it's strengthened and it's toughened and it becomes less resistant to dissolving, which is great because if your car tires were constantly dissolving, well, that could get expensive now, wouldn't it? All right, so if you want to do the orange peel pop experiment at home, what you got to do is you got to make sure you get balloons that have not been vulcanized. Water balloons are great for this because they are not vulcanized. You want them to easily break. So go get some water balloons if you'd like to do the orange peel pop experiment at home. All right, friends? So hey, happy popping, y'all.